Hello, my name is Diana. I have been a dental hygienist at Hutchinson Metro Dental for the past 11 years. I started out as a weekend part-time hygienist, and now I am happy to be part of this team full-time. This office is one of the most state-of-the-art modern dental practices in the Bronx and New York area. We provide dental care utilizing the most cutting-edge technology, and our main goal is to educate and treat our patients, minimizing pain during dental visits and going above and beyond at every appointment to put out a smile on our patients' faces all the time.
Hello, my name is Lisa. I've been working at Hutchinson Metro Dental for the past 8.5 years as a registered dental hygienist, and I love my job here. Our hygiene department is here 7 days a week as we're open every day. Dentistry is an exciting and constantly evolving field. Our patients appreciate the new technologies that we have access to in this office that improve their dental health and smile. Our hygienists research and offer the latest services, treatments, technologies, and products that impresses our patients and, most importantly, retain them.
My name is Olga. I have been working at Hutchinson Metro Dental for the last 9 years as a dental hygienist. The most fulfilling compliment myself and all of our hygienists on staff hears from our patients is that I have never had someone clean my teeth like this. And that is an honest, genuine feedback from our patients that makes us keep striving to provide the best possible care at all times for not only our current patients, but our future ones.
Hello, my name is Ella, and for the past 17 years I have worked in this office, and a lot of patients still coming back, and I enjoy the relationship I share with them. Our hygiene team realizes that the cornerstone of a great hygiene department is treating periodontal disease, preventing caries, screening for oral cancer. We follow our established protocol for periodontal services such as deep cleanings, local applications of antibiotics, perio maintenance, and giving oral hygiene education. It is very important to always provide the best hygiene visit experience.